Engines sputtering. Rapid firing sound of the Vulcan cannon. Explosion sound. Rapid firing sound of the Vulcan cannon. Explosion sound. Missile whoosh! Confused circling sound.
Pilots refuse to take off while infantry refuses to advance. The carefully planned German withdrawal turns into a rout. By noon, the F-22 has exhausted its ammunition, leaving the pilot a critical decision to make. He has enough fuel for every airfield is just a grass strip. The Raptor needs 3,000 feet of smooth runway, and landing on a muddy field could destroy the engines. Assuming he could even find aviation fuel to ever use those engines again, in the world that runs on gasoline refined from coal.
He spots a straight road near Allied lines and commits.
Yet within an hour, every German plane in the sector has abandoned the effort or is destroyed.
Die deutschen Streitkräfte sind immer noch verängstigt vor dem Dämonenflugzeug, von dem sie befürchten, dass es bald zurückkehren könnte. Aber es fliegt nie wieder.
Without proper fuel, ammunition, or the massive support infrastructure modern jets require, the pilot can't even share what he does know. What he can teach is like showing calculus to someone learning to count.
The F-22 ruled the skies for the few hours it was there, cutting through German planes like there were nothing.
The war continues with conventional forces.
And Germany still surrenders in November. So the F-22's contribution was decisive for one morning, but irrelevant in the grand scheme. Not much more than a legend.
Or what do you think would happen? What would you like to see next? And if you're curious what would happen if a modern helicopter fought in Vietnam, check out the video on screen now. Thanks for watching.